Alright, I am at the airport, and that means we are going on an adventure. And this time we are going back to Disneyland, and not just Disneyland as usual, but we are going to go and see Galaxy's Edge for the very first time. So join us as we go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland in sunny Southern California. So it turns out it is not sunny Southern California today, it's rather overcast, but still plenty warm. And so now I am going to get an Uber and head over to my hotel. And the faith-promoting story of the day is I booked this trip a long time ago, not knowing exactly when Galaxy's Edge would open. And I booked it, as I usually do, for Paradise Pier on the Disney Hotel. And they called me 2 weeks ago and said that because of the popularity of Galaxy's Edge, they always overbook and people cancel out. Well, no one's canceling out. And because of that, they asked if I would be okay if they upgraded my reservations to the Grand Californian Hotel. So this time, for the first time, I will be staying at the Grand Californian Hotel, which I'm rather excited about, at no additional cost. But I mean, the Paradise Pier is already pricey, but I mean, it is the cheapest of the 3 Disney hotels here in California. So, I'm very excited to do that. So, I am headed there in just a little bit, once the Uber arrives. I was still finding it hard to believe I had been upgraded to the Grand Californian. Before letting us in, they checked for my name on the list.
All right, perfect. Go
Thank
ahead,
you
go
so
forward.
much.
Enjoy your stay with us. My
Thanks.
pleasure.
The standard room was very nice, with an awesome shower, I love the subtle Disney touches throughout, the double sink and vanity area, and then there was the view from the room balcony. Well, I didn't think we would get a view quite this awesome, just because Grizzly River Run is right there. Now I know higher rooms you could actually see more of the park itself, and so that's why we got what we did, because we're kind of seeing just trees at this level. But you can definitely see the big grizzly bear, and see people in the park, the different pathways, and people walking through and headed over to Soarin' over there. So a very cool view out here on the little balcony. Alright, we just got to downtown Disney, and Brittany,
So excited!
Brittany is with me. So, my friend joining me on this adventure is Brittany.
So excited!
We worked together like 10 years ago, or 11 years ago.
Or more, I don't even know.
So yeah, we worked together, and now we are gonna go to Disneyland and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. But Galaxy's Edge is tomorrow, but today we're gonna go and go on an adventure. But Brittany lives here in California, so she is joining me for the fun. Once we were in the park, we headed for It's a Small World. I didn't get a video of it, but there was actually a live duck flying around the attraction. It was wild. Then we went to check in at the Main Street Cinema.
It's back.
It's back. This turned into a store for like 3 days, but now it is back to just the classic cinema. So good seeing you. Have a nice day. We are at the Bengal Barbecue, and we are having beef skewers. How is it so far?
Always a win.
And with my beef skewer, I got a tiger tail and the beef skewer, so looking good.
Hasn't tried to eat them yet? Oh my goodness. Who is this?
I'm Eric. This is Brittany. So we wanted to get a picture with you. Then I'll get a picture. But
Wow, I love your shirt. It's
yes,
very nice.
yes.
This is for you.
Yes.
Right. Very nice.
Do you have any exciting adventures coming up?
Maybe
you
we're
know,
gonna go to Italy.
Yes, Italy sounds fun. What else? I think I'm gonna take her on a date. It's a secret
Ooh,
though.
I
can't
heard about this.
Yeah, I can't tell you what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be a very romantic date.
Ooh, I'm so
I like
excited.
that.
Yes.
Exciting.
Now.
All right. Well, all right. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Good seeing you all. Then it was time for a churro covered in popcorn and caramel.
Yummy. Thank you so much.
What? That's amazing. Okay, should I? That's good.
Right?
That's very good.
Right? Best churro you've ever had, maybe?
That's bringing together two classic Disney treats in such a good way.
All the good ways.
So we just went on Soarin', and it
I
is
missed you, Soren.
so Soarin' over California for this month, and Brittany liked it, I think.
I loved it. I missed California. I'm so glad they brought it back.
So smelling those oranges and pine trees was very, very fun. It has been missed, so it was very, very fun, and
I loved it. We're gonna go on it again tomorrow, probably. So
yeah, we're gonna have to go on it a few more times. So
Yeah.
very, very, very fun.
Under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us and eat us, intrigue us.
I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me well away.
We just went on Little Mermaid, and now we are going to see the new Lion King show that they started recently. That is just here, the same area where they have World of Color. Time for some more treats. Sorry.
It's all for the no. I don't know.
Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. The Instagram/vlogging life is rough. All right, so Brittany went over to the cone what were you at? The pop cone. Yeah, cone. And you got the
I'm too busy eating.
she got the flaming hot Cheeto covered corn on the cob. And how is it so far?
I'm too busy eating.
She's loving it. And I got the beef chili, kind of like a Navajo taco in a breaded cone. So we are trying it and seeing how it is.
The groovy. I'm sorry, I don't know, but it's in Cars Land.
It looks amazing though.
It's incredible. It's my favorite.
A lot of things have been her favorite so far, I think.
I love Disney food.
All right, we are going for Radiator Springs Racers.
Single rider, 10 minutes.
Yeah, single rider, 10 minutes, and
More
we're
like 20 minutes.
we're in the same car.
Champion needs speed
and style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you what, in your heart.
After winning the race, we wanted to go and help save the galaxy.
Stand by.
Then instead of another treat, it was dinner time. We are at the French market for dinner.
Jambalaya.
Brittany got the jambalaya, and it is looking lovely. The Royal Street Bachelors are playing back there. I got my usual chicken Caesar salad and some delicious desserts. A trio of desserts. Alright, we just got off Star Tours. I think Brittany might have closed her eyes for most of it. Did you?
I get a little motion sick, a tiny.
So she was a good sport to go on that.
It was fun.
But what was exciting is it was all the new clips from the new people, and we ended on Batu, which is fun because tomorrow morning that is where we're going. So very exciting. But yeah, so all the new people were on there. So, all right.
Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
Alright, we just finished up the fireworks and we had a good day, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I'm sad it's ending.
We ate a lot of food,
I mean, it wasn't that much for me, it's normal, but it was all delicious.
And yeah, we hit a lot of attractions, but tomorrow morning, early morning, is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, so we're excited about that.
I don't think I'll be able to sleep, I'm so excited.
But we are headed out, but if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel because we have lots more adventures coming and more reviews. But thank you so much, and have a very magical day. Bye.
Bye.